Every wall I ever built came crumbling down before. But your hand inside of mine feels like bedrock, something more. This ain't written on the wind.
Yeah, sanibonani ekhaya, igama lami MK, and welcome to another episode Sebi. Today ngiphethe uSisi Mpume. Kuyo yonke ke into ayiyo, she is an artist, and we are going to find out as to why am I saying she is an artist. Mara ke I'm glad ukuthi sonke sila today because as much as you guys are gonna get to know her, now I am going to get to know her. Sisi Mpume kunjani mami?
Ngiyaphila MK unjani?
Ndiyaphila nami. Yo
Sibingelele nababukeli. And thank you so much ukuthi ngibe nawe namhlanje lana.
Yes.
And giving me this opportunity to talk more about uMpume and umsebenzi kaMpume.
No man, yeah, I wanted to say namba ngabe nkosi kakhulu man ngokudela yonke into today and be like you're going to be here, and it really means a lot into kuba ngaba you actually respect isikhathi sabanye abantu.
Yes man, because that's very important.
Yeah.
Ukuthi bangabe ubiziwe ukuhloniphe lokho.
Yeah ne. I'm one of your fans. Maungena I was listening to the album.
Yeah.
I always listen to your album there on Spotify because I'm one of your fans. But have been interested in knowing kahle ukuthi uMpume ubani. Yabo. So can you take me through background yakho, uMpume ubani, uzalelwe kuphi, uzalwa abobani, and uze nami nje and yeah.
Okay, guys, uMpume intombazane eyazalelwa eThekwini. Yakhulela eNkandla isikhathi eside. Yafunda khona amabanga aphansi. Ngize ngafunda ngapha eGoli mase ngisemabangeni aphezulu. Okay, shooting ngizothatha tertiary. Otherwise, even matric kwami ngwenzele eMphemba. ENkandla. So ngikhule mostly ngihlala nama cousins wami ekhaya kwaMabaso.
Okay.
So umama bengesiya nomuntu obeseduze ehlala nathi bebakhona baphinda hamba bengaseThekwini, and sometimes kube khona ugogo naye abuya hamba bengaseThekwini, sigcine nje siyingane ezihlalele zodwa, but ayikho into engiyibona mhlambe eyayirong ngaleso sikhathi because sasizwana with my cousins, and akekho ingane eyayistoti.
Okay.
Lokuthi sasithi masibuye esikoleni sihlephelela nemsebenzi ukuthi omunye ngenkathi omunye senza lokho omunye wenza lokho, even though kwabafana namantombazane, but akekho owayengalithinta ibhodi noma owayengakwenza ukuthi makwesikhathi sokuthi akwenza. So then later my grandmother came back, wazohlala nathi ekhaya full time. Okay, umkhulu ekhona ephila ethumela imali ekhaya yabona. So like inhliziyo yami yayimthanda futhi nakakhulu umkhulu, may his soul rest in peace. Shame umuntu ngabakithi. And so ngisakhula bengingane benguthanda music more than poetry. I didn't know that I'm a poet. Ngisakhula because benginokuthi thothi noma ngizidlalela nje noma yini thothi ngizosicompozela ingoma nje, kube ne sound efika ekhanda, ngiqamba ingoma ngize ngicule, obviously uzohamba uyikhohle leyo ngoma because into obuyikhandela yona ifika ngaleso sikhathi. So ngakhula nje nginakho lokho, and nokuthi ulalela music kwi radio and all that, up until kwafika isikhathi la ngiyohlala khona eThekwini noma I remember ngimamele izwi lomzansi, and then ngizwa ngilalele ishow Isikompilo. Yes, I remember it was Isikompilo. Mangimamele ishow ngiyezwa kunama poets lapha baya recite ke lapho yabo, and then sengizwa kuthiwa kuzobe kukhona ishow ezobe ikhona in Pinetown. vele senginakho ukuhlala ngizibhalela njalo lana ngibhala mangiqala ngisuke ngithi ngibhalela ingoma yabo and then it end up ngizithole ngifihla umqondo wakhona kuvuka lo muzwa wembongo engingawazi ukuthi ngizokwenzakalani then end up ngibhale poem but ngingenayo iplan ukuthi lezi zinto ngizibhalayo ngizobe ngizirecite kuphi phambi kwabantu babekutheni then man ngavuka ngathi uthi ngiyekhona kuthiwa kuzobe kune show lapha a library if I'm not mistaken yes Penn Town yes okay. Then it was my first time ngirecite phambi kwabantu ngento engivele ngamameli radio ngavuka ukuthi nami ngekhona I didn't know ukuthi like ngiexpecte ini abantu kusuke kumele bazokuthatha kanjani angikaze ngibe na club na group engisebenzisana nayo kanti lapho khona omunye umsakazi owayekhona ethamele leyo show leyo uBudpet and then wathi damn nansi into ekudala ngiyifuna you are writing exactly lento esihlala siyifuna abantu besibhalela istory thina sifuna ukuthola lento le oyenzayo okay can you come to my show on Sunday awungathi ayibona ikhona excitement but ngisena lo beke ngibuza ukuthi okay yini lento engiyenzayo because kuyazenzekela but awuplani kangako into ukuthi noma sekukhona umuntu othi uyayithanda lento noma ukukholelwa kuyona uyibuthi hey I wonder ngenzani izoyapi but ngiyayithanda man nami khona lento ukuthi no man I'm doing something engayazi ukuthi phumaphi but ngiyayifeel it's quite deep mean so ngiqale kanjalo uqhubeka nje nokuthi ngiqinise entweni yokubhala so kwaya ngagcina sengihlala njalo ngibhalela lo msakazo njalo makuyi ama-month end ngifike ngizofundisa abanye abasafuna ukwazi ukubhala inkondlo ngibahluzela inkondlo and write my own and after lapho ngihluze ngibafundise nabanye ukuthi okay this is how things are done okay. Before umuntu azofika eGoli okay I think yayingisizileke nalento ukuthi ube nalesi sizulu esinesinto sokuthi esasemakhaya true. So so ngalezo sikhathi bekwazi ukuthi kube lula makufanele ukuthi ngibhale into eyisinto because into ebisahlala ihleli la ekhanda lami
like
ngikhule ngayo yabo so before sifika ku music okay ngisuke eThekwini sengizo ishe okay after my seshonile uma uye washona ngo 2011 it was my first year at tertiary washona izinto ngaleso sikhathi bezingahlangene kahle to a point ukuthi ngahamba ngaze ngayohlala kwi orphanage home Durban North kwesinye isikhathi ngenxa ukuthi ngilomuntu ongathanda ukuhlulwa into and into mangithe ngeke ngize ngiyenze ngisuke ngeke ngize ngiyenze mangithe mina ngeke ngiye mina ngohlala estradini angiyi I believe ukuthi ngeke uhlale ungalitholi noluncane usizo mawuzonqonqoza kahle true if uzonokha kahle so you go as far as ukunokhela abantu abasuke bezoyiveza imbobo noma encane kunokuthi ugcine ngempela uyidela uthi mina ngiyolontuza mina lapha yana emgaqweni ngangitshela ukuthi ngeke ngiyenze lonto so while ngilapho kule orphanage home I was doing my second year ngo2012 I knew ukuthi vele ngeke ngisakwazi ukuqeda sekuzofanele ukuthi ngidrop out
okay
ngoba ama funds phela awekho nomuntu obekade engincedisa naye useshonile futhi okay yeah so yeah izinto zaya nje zathi ubathafanyana so after lapho I kept on applying for umsebenzi all over South Africa while ngihleli in that orphanage home okay. The biggest mistake I made was to hide from these people engihleli nabo ukuthi no kahle angisenayo umuntu ozoqhubeka ngibhadalele esikoleni maybe they were going to find someone yabo angisize ngiqhubeke because ngithema ngabe ngiyithola le call engayithola engibize eJohannesburg I came ngingazi nokuthi ngizofika ngilale kuphi ngimbathe ini imali yerent yokuqala ngangenayo nokuba nayo I didn't have imali yerent engangizoyikhokha ngikhumbula kahle ngayiboleka ku cousin wami inkosi yabusela ukhona ngiyabonga mfethu ngayiboleka kuse imali ngaleso sikhathi wayesayi security
okay
but ukuthi nje ngoba sikhule sizwana okay she's a teacher now cause abanye besifazane abahlezi benalo kuphokophela phambili ukuthi la ngikhona ngihlezi ngifuna ukushintsha isimo sami and move. So wangiboleka imali kanti ngizosebenza nje kunawo nane basic salary. Ubusebenza ngazi ukuthi uyagula ke lapha yana Monday to Saturday, u-offer kuphela Sunday. And if you can't sell, we were selling on the street my product here, Virgin Mobile. If you can't sell, you're out. So mina ngizavele nginaleya drive nanokuthi developer lento ukuthi ungasabi ukuexpressa and approaching anyone. I think le nto ukuthengisa estradini yangisiza kakhulu because ngithe noma sengidlulela kwenye part yabo yokusebenza kwaukuthi mina when it comes to sales no into nje ngangakuthengisela mangathandi mina ukuthengisela kodwa mase ngifuna impela ukuthengisela ngizokwazi ukukhuluma nawe uzongilalela uyayibona because if yena kancane cha iyaphuma nje lapho so kwangisiza kwangigruma up until kwafika lapha ukuthi khona ingqondo iyakhumbula manje ukuthi no ngidrope out esikole and I still want to continue. And each time mangibuka abantu bengifunda nabo ko Facebook yo
bahambile abantu
bengikhala wena lontuzane bengivele ngikhale ngihleli ngedwa kuleli room engihleli khona lincane lokho ukuthi mawuvula umnyango ushaya embedeni like it's a very tiny kubusaba khona inyana lapha emaflatini aseJoburg. So ngangilala esiphontsini lesengangisibolekiwe futhi naso esiphambiwayo. So ngisebenza vele ngize ngibuyele ebusuku ngo6 kumele kubuse officeini nenza ama trainings and then you go we filled mini manbuye u6 wantambama ukushayela vele futhi use officeini back ukuzo reporta lo msebenzi kade wenza phandle yabo. So isikhathi sokuba sendlini mawucanga lapho sithatha kuphi vele umuntu ozobe ngenayo life okwangempela ozokwazi ukuthi abekezelele yonke le yanto because uhamba ngomnyama ubuya ngomnyama isikhathi sokupheka vele asikho udlula lapha yana udonsele noma yini ozoyihlafuna ubuye lapho mawuthola ukuthi ugeze nje ulala uyibhuquze kuleso sponge leso. So kuye no ngifike la ngikhathala khona kube nento ethi angisafuni manje I want to continue with my life. Then ngahamba ngaregister esikoleni makushaya July. Lucky enough ngathathwa ngathola NSFAS kwakuphuma kwami kanjalo kule company ngabashiya nje ukuthi no ayisenzeki lento akusavumi sengifike lapho khona lento sithi ngathele ngizifila njengesigqila and angisondeli nakancane ngasephupheni lami because laba bantu bazokutshela ukuthi no we're going to promote you uzoba imanager. Okay ngayi ngiyi team leader at that time because ngase nginabantu engibatrainayo nami ngiba ne team yami ngiphuma nayo. But for how long are these people going to be selling you le dream yokuthi uzoba ne department yakho one day and uyabona ukuthi no man ayikho lento le abantu bafika baphuma njalo kule company bafika baphuma njalo kule company. So ngaqala ke ngahamba ngayofunda ngenza marketing management kwaze kwaba ngiyaqeda sahlukana kanjalo NSFAS sephela kumele ngiqale phansi ke manje ngicinga okay while sengiwutholile kumsebenzi angaqhubeka kakhulu
no asami
ngiqhubeke nguthola umsebenzi no kule company futhi yonke into ya ibe right kuhambe because impilo iyashintsha. Kufike la nginalo leli phupho lokuthi mani ngisho ngibona abantu bedlula mhlawumbe amanye ama artists ama actors nanane unanento ukuthi no man nangi lo muntu owenza into yami one day ngizowenza lento one day but lento ngiyayazi ukuthi iphila kumina. Kubhlungu ukuthi nje manje ngihleli nayo la ngihleli khona angiyenzi but ngizoqala phi okay angazi umuntu umsebenzi wami ngivuka nje ngelento zaneni. Okay uyawahamba ama auditions mhlawumbe niyenze ilonto zane kuphele la kuphela khona kwesinye isikhathi amanye ama auditions ukuwaboneke nje weMK ukuthi yabona ke la besikhaphe usibani bani ke la uzokafika ngawubambi no line nithi kade nifikile avela afike nje mhlawumbe ifike kuzimalanga seyibhakela imoto yayo lapha nize kuma auditions uzonidlula nonke ayongena uthi uyabona 2 minutes ha usephumile usibani bani hawu nangu usibani bani sesemontweni yakhe uzozwani irole itholwe uyena azange uzuzumbone ku line emile kanye nani and yena ufika wacaca uthi uyokwenza into yakhe ngoba vele kudingeka i-formalities nokuthi kubonakalisa ama videoeni ukuthi no we did audition abantu they were here but ekugcineni ubona ukuthi saze samkhapha lokho nje
Yeah.
So yeah,
Yeah.
ngisebenze kube mnandi kufika isikhathi where I lost everything. I had to go back home kushaya ikhathi zabo ma COVID, like kuphela emsebenzi kushayisa imoto ngithi ngizama ukuvula business first same time, like everything kwacaca ukuthi ibuyela phansi, izinto zibuyela emuva. Kuye ilapho okay ngahamba ngabuyela kaMalume, ngihlale caca ukuthi kumele ubuyele ekhaya njengamanje because nala sengihleli khona eGoli sekumuzi womuntu. Nakhona futhi akusakwazi ukuthi nginalamahloni ukuthi ngiyasaba phela ukuthi la ekhaya ngihlobile kahle manje mase ngihleli waya kuzoba ngeke ngigcine sixabana, ngcono ukuthi ngivakasha ngiphinde ngihambe ngekhaya, ngivakasha ngihambe ngihlala emakhaya, ngihlale ekhaya. Mangihlele ekhaya I think ukuhlala ekhaya ngikubonile nangamanye ama artists kuye kwaba isifundo kumina, but akwenzekanga ngiqondile mina nganganakile. But I remember komunye washiya iGoli wathi ngiyahamba ngibuyele ekhaya ngifuna ukuyoqala, and wafika uqala umsebenzi wakhe waphumelela till today. So ngenkathi ngisekhaya yayisibuyela yona ke futhi manje lento yami neart, sengihlala ngiyabhala to a point ukuthi ngizoyengithi ngihleli nabantu akusavumi ngihlale nabantu, ngazi ukuthi sekunento efikayo mhlawumbe kunengoma efikayo konanana ngathi ngihamba ngiyohlala ngedwa ngiqhubeke ngibhale. Like sengizizwa ukuthi ngiyaphila kodwa manje ungathi angisemina ngedwa manje, because there's a voice that says go do this now, go do this now. Then okay kune radio station, online radio ngaleso sikhathi vele engase ngijoinile ukuthi ngizosebenzisana nayo as someone oke waba kwi radio kancane before ngize ngapha eGoli ngisase KZN.
Okay.
So ngisena lento ukuthi no I know ukuthi mina ne radio vele awusizithomezwa nayo, and I always loved ukuthi ngisebenze. So while sebenza, that's when I met someone engahlala phansi ngamtshela ngaphupho lami ngathi no ngiyabhala, and sengiveke kwi point ukuthi njengamanje I need to record, like I nje ngiyadinga ukwenza njengamanje. Athi no khuleka mina ngizokusiza, there are guys engizobafonela xhumanise nabo uhambe ye studio bas King Bo, where are they konje sengikhohle igama lendawo but khona eThekwini, but ubezibiza ngo King Bo, and the other guy ube shy piano Mpumelelo. Then I met those guys ngahamba ngaya khona ngafika ngarecorda my first song isengihambile. There was a deep Afro song, Afro pop song. So ngarecorda le ngoma and abantu bayithanda. Okay, then I started to shoot ama lontuzana the short clips of my videos why ingoma hamba ingoma. Then in that same year ngangirecord another 2 songs, so ngarelease 3 songs ngaleso sikhathi, but zilandelana. And then ngaba nento ukuthi sonke lesi sikhathi why ngilobe ngiziba lento le ethi Mpume go deliver umsebenzi kubantu, go talk to people, and why I've been writing umsebenzi ngushiya phansi komncamelo ngingaqhubeki nawo. Ngibona ngathi ukuthi mina vele bezibambezela sonke lesi sikhathi, and lento yokuba iartist into suke uzalwa vele ikhona kuwena. Akusinto ngathi awuthi ngihambe nami ngiyofunda ukuthi ngayenza kanjani ngoba ngiyabona baloku bayayenza. So iart nje mina angikholwa ukuthi ungahamba le yanto lokuthi ngizofuna ukufunda. Izikhona ezinye izinto ongasifunda to polish and learn, ezinye izinto uthi okay umsebenzi sokhona ngizohambisa kanjani, ngiyosebenza kanjani since ikhono likhona, then ikupho kunye. But lento efikayo because mawubhala kuyifikela yona into esuke ifika usuku akusiyona into ongayibuyitshela umuntu uthi okay njengamanje kuzokwenza ukuthi, because sometimes I write something ize ngiqede kwamina self ngingazange ngize ngiyibone ukuthi ngingazizwanga ukuthi bengithini. After lapho bese ngiqala phansi ngiyifunda. Same as going to record music, I'll go to a studio, the minute kudlala a beat, then kuzovele kufika ingoma nje ngize ngiyiqede kade ngingazange ngize ngayibhala ngisesendlini. Ifikele ngaleso sikhathi ibe ingoma futhi ephelele ngiyenza ngize ngiqede.
Okay. let's take a short break.
Yes.
Okay, let's take a short break. Yeah, welcome back bafethu. Ngisahleli no Sis Mpume. Yeah, ijeni yakho inde kakhulu. You've actually experienced izinto ezibhayo. Uhamba nabantu abadala or
ngumuntu omdala ufuna ukuthini?
umuntu omdala.
MK, yes.
Nasiphosa abantu abadala ne.
Yeah, ngihamba nabantu abadala.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. A lot of izinto that uye wa touch base kuzo iloki confirma like ikume emqondweni ukuthi okay you are gifted even spiritually. I'm interested ukuthi music wakho ne spirituality sakho ziconnecta kanjani, because listening to a sound yakho akusi sound that you can find anywhere.
Yeah, I do believe ukuthi ziya connector and ngicabanga ukuthi abantu abaningi nje abangama artists and musicians laba bazibhalelayo the most. I believe ukuthi iningi labo kusuke kuyigift yona leyo ukuthi you have a certain way of healing people, a certain way of talking to people, and talking to their hearts and about their lives. Because sometimes we write about our own lives and the lives that esuke zingakofiki, and sometimes you even you write a prophetic song othola ukuthi it's something kanti sazokwenzeka ngempela kwena. Yabo.
Yeah.
When you got a message ngaleso sikhathi ofuna ukubhala, so ngiyabelieve ukuthi mina kuyahlangana, and I believe futhi ukuthi bayangivumela because bebengeke bangiphe lesiphiwo phinde futhi bengavumi mase kumele ngisebenzise, because abanye bayaba nalo question ukuthi since manje unabantu abadala and sewukule stage obekusona osukusona kuzohlangana kanjani. Ngibe nento yokuthi njengoba ngishilo ukuthi ngiye ngibhala into ngingayizwa ngize ngiqede, and mangise studio or mangisuke ngibhala ngiyezwa mina makusekufika lo moya okungasesimina ukuthi njengamanje khona into esifikile esiqhubeka nalomsebenzi.
Okay.
So I believe ukuthi kusuke kubu those guardian angels engihamba nazo ekuyizona futhi eziphinde ezisuke zivuma ukuthi mangwenze lo msebenzi. So anguboni ukuklashana, even though kuyaba khona indawo lapho esingene khona ngenxa yokusebenza wena MK uthola ukuthi kumele ngiyosebenza endaweni ethile, but I know ukuthi spiritually le ndawo khona lapho ibuyiklashane khona nezingilo sengihamba nazo, but umsebenzi mangizophuma I pray ngisho ukuthi okay njengamanje ngizohamba ngendaweni kanje la ngiyakhona ngiyosebenza.
Yeah.
Njengoba nginitshelile ukuthi nginalo umsebenzi kanje la ngiyakhona ngiyosebenza, ngisuke kumele futhi ngifike ngisebenze ngoba abantu kumele ukuthi ngikhulume nabo, angeke ngihambe ngibamise estradini, kumele ngiye lapha abahleli khona. Mawukuthi abantu engimele ngiyokhuluma nabo namhlanje bahleli phansi kwesihlahla, kusho ukuthi kuzofanele ngihambe ngiye phansi kwesihlahla ngifike ngikhulume nabo leyo message kufanele ngiyideliver ngaleso sikhathi. If ngizobafica mhlambe ukuthi basemfuleni I need to go there, so everywhere la kusokukhona khona abantu kunzima ukuthi usuzothi hayi mina ngihlanganisa nokuthi kuphela, because silana singabantu.
Okay.
Singabantu and siyadingana noma ngabe sikuphi. So ungakhuluma nomuntu noma ngathi uhlangana kuphi naye. So umculo kumina uyindlela zokuthi umuntu makajabule, makalapheke, mangikhulume naye noma ngabe kuphi la akhona. So yeah. Angiboni kushayisana ukuba kwami artist nokuba kwami isangoma noma umthandazi. So ngikhuluma nabantu nanoma ngasiphi isikhathi and isiphiwo sami asisuki kumina manje.
Yeah. I remember ngisasonta I used to enjoy and connect noNkulunkulu through esasikhathi se-worship team so music.
Yes.
Akusekufika preaching nani ayangisekho la like lento bengiyizele esontweni
ufeel ukuthi sewuyitholile once you listen to that music okanye baba we part of that.
Yabona. So there is a very strong message uNkulunkulu or abantu abadala abayithumelayo through music. So yeah, I do understand when you say you can never be found mhlawumbe kwindawo one where obviously you'd be expected ukuthi mawutholakale khona, because if ever you are a Christian uyenza igospel uhlala ucula esontweni gogogo, who are you saving esontweni? Because
these people are already there. Uyayibona?
Yeah, you gotta go.
And abantu abadlala umusic wakho akusibona kuphela labo zobuhleli nabo nisonta nabo. Omunye udlala ehleli la ahleli khona kodwa wena mawusuthi uthi mina angisho ukuthi ku wrong mangabe okay khona omunye umuntu ukuthatha kumvumela isidalo ukuthi kunendawo angakwazi ngempela ukuthi angene kuyona ngenxa ukuthi izimo zabantu azifani, uyabo. Nami nje ngizokutshela ikhathi eziningi nama ngisakhula lobu uthola ukuthi khona ngingenile endaweni just because ngaleso sikhathi mhlambe there's a big clash with isithunywa sami. I even mhlambe ngiphume lapho sengigijima ngifike endlini okay maybe ngithandaza I don't want to go deep into that but ziyaba khona ikhathi lapho ukuthole khona okay namhlanje ke ngazi ukuthi asishayisani ngempela okanye mhlawumbe namhlanje khona into ethile okanye ngiyikalela isikhathi ukuthi okay ongcono ukuthi kushaya isikhathi esithile ngibe sengiqedile umsebenzi wami, mhlawumbe bazokalela bona ukuthi okay akungeqi isikhathi esithile usala okanye ungahlali la kuze kuse noma okay. So ziyaba khona ikhathi mhlama kuthiwa nami sesiyafika vele sokuthi okay ngicaca ukuthi ke alisabekeke isidala unyawo ngeke ngilibeke, uma lisabekeka ngizolibeka. Mangabe bethi okay ngesikhathi esithile seku right for wena, it's fine ngaleso sikhathi esithile ngizokwenza because ngiyabelieve ukuthi kumele ngikubalansise, kumele ngikwazi ukulalela umoya ohamba nami, kumele ukuthi ngiwusebenzise ngendlela right. Mangabe sekufika entweni mama bethe abayifuni caca ukuthi okay la kuthiwa no ungabe usathinda la kuyobe kuphoqa ukuthi ngikwenze lokho because ngiyakholelwa kakhulu spirit somuntu aphila naso, nawe unephila ande umthetho yakho, nawe sekuseva ngendlela yakho sikisa kuleli sonto omunye simise kuleli sonto, so vele ngeke ifane exactly indlela yokucontrolana.
Okay yeah, I don't want to dwell much into indaba ze spirituality because and this understanding now, so basically hey sizoxakana, but back to artistry yakho. I'm going to touch base on good journey that we have shared already. Kukhona lapho where you are highlighting ukuthi sininini kube nama auditions and you find ukuthi you're going to be with you for hours uvuke ngo2 ekseni.
Yes.
It happens, I know. Yabo, and kufika umuntu nje andlule ayenza into yakhe and then aphinda buye. How do you think that affect artists vele?
It demotivates you.
Yeah.
And ikwenza ufile njenge kahle nje ikwenza ufile ngazi ukuthi hawu naze nangenza slim. And each time mhlambe ulalele lo msakazo omkhulukazi usumuzwa keke lo msakazo uyakhuluma lapho uyasho ukuthi akodwa wena wasenza ilima sama kapha isikhathi esingaka kanti isikhapha wena. So iyambulala umuntu osuke elapho sengathi manisuke nizenza noma bezenza lezi zinto zokuthi bafakane ngasese baze baqede kungabizwa abantu kuthiwa uzanini nizoba part of this kanti wena uyazi ukuthi okay lezi ezinye ingane zabantu zikhapha nje ngoba uthola ezinye ureheza kuze cishe ukusa ubhizi ureheza ama lines wakho okanye that clip ozobe mhlawumbe mangabe iseredweni kuyasakaza uzobusa reheza lo clip yakho khanda leyo show uzobuyisusa ekhanda lakho ukuthi okay show isikhathi esithile doing this and that, and ngeke uvele usuke lapha uhamba uyoma phambi kwabantu ngempela mangabe ungabufeel ukuthi no sengirehezile lento ngiready and I want to do this, then the next thing uyafika umuntu anenze nikhaphe abanikazi abangani bakhe phambi kweni. Angifuna uqamba manga ukwazana vele kohlezi kusetshenziswa kodwa sengathi ningakwenza ngasese thina singabonanga siyabona.
Yeah, abanye abantu banala drama yokuba ndifuna banibone. I want them to see me. Yeah.
Kusuke kungesiyena lo ufuna ukubonwa kahle kusuke ku abaphathi bomsebenzi esuke or asuke benikezwe I role yokuthi nini nizoselecta abantu. Kuye kwenzeke nje ngisho mhlambe you know 1 or 2 people abanomsebenzi all right when it comes to music ke manje masikhuluma music. Abanomsebenzi all right. Umamela uphinde umamela uyibuza ukuthi usibani why bengamdlali. Angeke uyithole answer. Hayi ukuthi aka submit. Uyasubmit. Kodwa bese kuba khona ikhanda elithile nje or abathile ozofika submit i-email ithi ngena vele sekuyazi ukuthi hayi namhlanje kuzi i-email ka DJ Sibanibani okanye naye sifikile it's from this company okay akubuzwa umbuzo iyangena vele kwilontosana isiya compile njalo izongena iyadlala uthi mawuthi uphethe lo khona umunye wasubmit mhlawumbe uyabona ukuthi sekuphela unyaka uSibanibani asubmit akatholi ngisho impendulo ethi hayi ngesikwazi noma ntontontoni uthi wathi hayi ukuthi abayibona nge-email yakhe just because nje hayi abamfuna umuntu abangamazi
yo
no into ekhona emhlabeni ongeke futhi uzuyibalekele kuwo wonke ama site ale lontuzane kwi entertainment industry so isikhathi esiningi ukuthi ubani ufike nobani nalokho kuyabhekwa uthi okay mawube nenhlanhla ngempela uyakwazi ukuthi ungqonqoze ngomuno wakho wangempela ungangqonqozelwanga ube somnyango uyavuleka mawube nenhlanhla ngempela kuyenzeka and ke into ephinde bemnandi ke manje since sekukhona social media has grown to a point ukuthi kancane khona bebe nepower esebeya ngokuncisheka ukuthi akasakwazi ukuvala abantu mangabe sebethena thina siyayifuna lento ebeyizijwayele kwazi ukukhiya kodwa manje uthola ukuthi akusakhiyeki because uzokhiya begcina abantu bebeqhubeka nalento manje ubese kungabukeki kahle abantu into sebeyidlala ngapha nangapha sekuwena wedwa ongayidlali bagcine sebephoqeka ukuthi asidlale so ingakho ukuthi kufanele ungene yonke indawo kungabi bikho indawo ozoyibukela phansi because awuyaze kuyona indawo eyokuphumelelisa nokuthi ungabheka abantu ababodwa uthi okay Sibanibani wangivalela ngaphandle it's fine qhubeka nomsebenzi wakho yabo qhubeka nento yakho you'll never know who's watching ngelinye ilanga ukhona yoba neqiniso athi no man lo muntu lona lo muntu serious ngalento ake simlalele
yeah I'm an artist now. On top of that I've got friends as ngama artist, I've got male friends as ngama artist, I've got female friends as ngama artist and we talk man, we talk especially about the industry.
That's why I said maybe there is one omazi onokuthi mawumamela music wakhe usho ukuthi uSibanibani uyasebenza.
Yeah,
but I don't know why esahleli la hleli khona.
Oh, you are dragging me back like and I'm good there. There's something that ongicingise yona. There was a day where we were celebrating ama awards awinwe a certain group that I won't mention yet. Yabo? While we were there listening to wonke music that was being presented lapha na ba performer bayenzani. And I was like bafethu no man, how yabo same thing oyisho ukuthi ngiyakuza ukuthi you are there on the radio uyenza ishow yakho but mfethu you know yabo like you know
uyazazi ukuthi ufike kanjani yabona
so kuye kwaba into enjalo to a point where I even said it out loud ukuthi udoti lento le because this it shouldn't be like this man ngifuna ukuyikhoshina but I was like
it's kanjani
nah,
but then no, it's life
so I do understand ukuthi iyayenzeka le nto leyana ne but one of our challenges that afaced ngama artists especially ama artists abantu abangomama ku industry if ever you can check in most cases abantu abanepower enkulu ku industry ngamadoda not
Yeah.
not that abantu abangomama banayo. They can be the face of whatever, babe visible nanani, but you go behind the scene kubantu abathatha ama decisions nanani, people who are able to make things happen ngamadoda. How do you survive laphayana as an artist lo muntu ongumama and still ube nesasidima sokuba ungumuntu spiritually and ungumama wekhaya at the same time?
Okay.
Take
How
your
do
time.
I survive? Take your time. No, mostly vele ngisho siya studio siyo recorder, we work with guys the most. Hey, ngizama ukucabanga ukuthi kunini lapho engasebenza khona lo muntu esifazane and then ngoba impumelelo. Ngeke ngabe ngiqamba banga. Vele ufica abantu besilisa, but uyabathola abantu abawuhloniphayo umsebenzi wabo. Firstly kumele uzazi ukuthi mina angenanga ku music ngiyi teenager semncane okanye ngisesikoleni. Ngingene vele senginamehla abonayo nje asebhekile.
Okay.
So uma ungibhedela ngiyakwazi ukubona ukuthi ayike lo. Yebo kubhlungu ngoba kwesinye isikhathi uyalahlekelwa imali because mhlambe kukhona into ethile okhombisa ungahambisani nayo noma ubona ngazi ukuthi chala ngazi ukuthi uzofuna ukungibulalela indlela yami and then ngiye ngitshethi no it's fine ngamane ngingqongqoza omunye umnyango futhi ngishiye kanjalo but umuntu engisuke ngisebenza naye mina uyazi ukuthi masisebenza sesebenza. I like people aba honest because nami ngisuke ngizokwenza njalo. If you charge me imali ethile kusuke kumele ngenze ngakho konke osemandleni ukuthi okay fine mangize kuwena ngi-expect ukuthi mangunikeza imali yami nginikeza umsebenzi wami. Ungabi nakho ukungi-undermine ukuthi awuvele mangibaleka nemali yakhe vele uzongenzani ngoba vele intombazane.
Yeah.
Because yabafica vele labo ayithathi imali yakho umuntu ngokuthi ecabanga ukuthi vele ngeke angishaye. Even amanye ama artists kuyenzeka uthola ukuthi mina nje ngeke ngaba nebudget ngisanda ukufika ngenxa yokuthi usafuna information ubuza kwabanye abantu umuntu akuphi information kanti usezokucharge for that wena hours afike kuwena athi okay ngicela ngiboleke imali engaka ngizokunika kusasa kuyaphuthuma umnikeze emva kwalokho ashaya ikhona umculi nje owaziwayo kabi ngamaskandi angazi kodwa uthi kuthini emva kwalokho uneshow ukuthi vele le mali unayo kuphela isikhathi abe nento ukuthi nje ukumela kuxhaphaze because uyazi ngeke umshaye omunye ukhokhe e-studio ukhokhela umsebenzi uzode ushift umsebenzi wakho akuthi hey bengibhizi nge-project kasibani enye into futhi ukungena e-studio somuntu osedume kakhulu osebenzisana na-artists amakhulu kakhulu uyitshela ukuthi no because ngifuna ukukhipha equality uzowuhlehlisa umsebenzi wakho elokho ebhizi nabanye abantu because akakusabi wena nje.
Yeah.
Uyintombazane uzomenzani? Okay. Engakusho nje kusukufanele ukuthi uyazi into oyoyenza. 2 angiyili ku entertainer wena njengoba sihleli la e-studio sizo record mina nawe sizosebenza. Umuntu ekumele ngim-entertain ilo ngaphandle ngizobe sengim-entertainer ngomsebenzi oright ozobusungenzele wona. So wena into ekumele uyenze ukuthi mina nawe sisebenze. Njoba ngilapha phambi kwakho ubona umuntu ekumele usebenze naye. Baningi abantu engisazohlangana nabo phinde ngisebenze nabo. Angikwazi ukuthi ungahamba u-entertainer uyoqeda nini? Ungagcina ufikile la uyakhona ngeke uzofika. So umsebenzi wami awusho ukuthi mina kufanele ukuthi ngi-entertain wena. Mina nawe kumele sibe njengobhuti nosisi sibhuti nosisi ngoba sila ku-industry senza into eyodwa. Kumele sikwazi ukuthi sikhulumisane sikhokhelane nje umsebenzi sisebenzisane mawukhona la usabambeke khona nami nginika indawo yami ngihloniphe ngitshele nompume ngizobambezeleka la ngeke ngikwazi uqeda umsebenzi wakho njengoba ade sivumelene it's fine ngiwumuntu angithi nami ngiyalalela no sengibe nama commitment achile mhlambe I'm even away from Joburg so angikwazi njengamanje hayi mina ngithi ngiyafika phambi komnyango wakho qomu ngiyakufica wena uyidakelwe kucace nje ukuthi akukhonto nje esizoyenza la siyo recorda kuze kubuye uJesu kodwa wenzile umsebenzi womunye umuntu izolo wawuqeda.
So these are your experiences kule journey yakho le.
Ngixolisa ukukhuluma kuzoba ngathi mhlawumbe ngithi ngi-against uphuzo yini cha. Sengisho nje ukuthi indlela okusuke ku-level engisuke ngibona ukuthi kubonisa ukungahloniphani because angeke ngithi ngazi ukuthi ngibusiness project yakho kodwa mina ngiyidakwele namhlanje nakusasa to a point ukuthi bekumele into besivumelene sizoyikhipha izolo kuphele 4 days 5 days kuze kuphele nenyanga ngingayikhiphi.
and already you've promised ama-fans wakho ukuthi into eso
Mina sengiqedile ukukhokhela ngaleso sikhathi.
Yes, yeah. Oh God.
So amanye ama-challenges ozobe uhlangabezane nawo but ayakukhulisa cause akwenza ufunde ezinye izinto. 2, uma uyorekhoda ungayibeki exactly date ukuthi imisebenzi wami uzobe usuphumile ngizoninika wona ungakafika esandleni sakho. Make sure ukuthi umsebenzi wakho usufikile esandleni sakho
Yeah.
before utshela abantu ukuthi i-project is coming.
I remember I used to
Because this year I've already recorded 4 songs. Uzomuntu engithe mase ngithi mfethu siqhubeke neproject wangibaleka. Hawu kanjani mfethu ngimbone ko TikTok seka live ngithi ngiyakhomenta lapho ayibo mfethu awu respond athi avela value live. Izolo ngithe ngiyaperforma not izolo day before yesterday Saturday night.
Yeah.
Sificane kule ndawo ngiyoperforma kuyona mayese uthi pha uyayibona ama poster okay bese bonile vele ukuthi umpume uzobe la ezoperform. Papa still nakhona ngihlala nawe idakelwe. Angeke ngimusho ukuthi ubani but uyi-artist ebeselike lasebenza nje impela noma ngingazi ukuthi inhloso zakhe ngalo msebenzi wakhe ufisa ukuthatha serious kangakanani but then so i-challenge ukuthi if bengiyomunye umuntu noma umjida amsabayo I do not think ubezofuna ukubaleka sekunomsebenzi wami osesandleni sakhe and act so unprofessional to a point yokuthi ignore nama calls nama text. Kucaca ukuthini ngimele ngibeke phansi inhliziyo ngitshela ukuthi no wathi ngiqhubeke nomsebenzi wami angeke umsebenzi wami ufe ngenxa kasibani. It's fine ngimele ngidlulele phambili. There are guys aba serious ngempela ngomsebenzi wabo. There's one guy engazi ukuthi mangihambe ngayosebenza naye one day umsebenzi uphelile. Uyambhadala ukunika umsebenzi wakho asoze umfice ethi ngizobuye ngunike sidalo.
Into ithetha manje.
Sidalo mangabe uwazi kahle ukuthi khona ngale protection. So I know ukuthi kunabantu ekufanele ukuthi nje uvele mawusutholile leso sifundo nje ubaleke kubona before umoshakalelwe umqondo wakho nepassion yakho mhlambe nemali yakho ngaphezulu.
Sure. And sometimes you'd find ukuthi akusi kokungabi professional in a manner yokuthi umuntu umbhadele and then aka deliver on time and all of that. Yenzakele man kubantu abaninzi that I know as well, especially abantu abangomama, where you find ukuthi mawenza umsebenzi na that person beat uyakuproducera or uyakushutela or whatever. Sinini sekafuna ukulala nawe ngokusekazibonelo lo muntu angamhitha and then mawungafuna ukurespond to whatever ayifunayo sekakuncisha umsebenzi wakho. I've seen a lot of people
so that kuzofika la wena umncenga khona.
That's uzomncenga khona.
Mina ngithi ngamani usale nawe kumsebenzi wami udle mawukuthi ushuthi uzokusuthisa. Angeke ngiyenze intando yakho ngisuse ubumina ngenxa ukuthi wena kufanele ukuthi ngeke nguncenga ngomsebenzi wami. Imina engibhalayo la. Ikhono lami leli. Angikwazi ukuthi ngizoncenga wena. Uhlangana lapha ekutheni uzosondela eduze kwami. Awukwazi angikuncenga ayikho into engincenga kuwena. So ngizokwazi ukuthi ma wena ungafuni nokusebenzisa ikhono lakho lokuproducer lapha ya skip into right. Bakhona abantu abazihloniphayo othi mayehleli nomuntu wesifazane abuke umsebenzi noma umuntu ozosebenza angabe ebuka ukuthi hawu intombi nomntontoni. So sometimes yenza ke lento abantu uthola ukuthi umuntu uyadidiseka mhlambe mayekubona ku social media nje mhlambe usidansela usikhulekele kanye usigqokele ngendlela ogqoke ngakhona abone ngazi ukuthi mayisondele eduze kwakho uzofica umuntu ozovesana belula nje. Mayisethi uyafika sesihlelo phansi sesiyaxoxa athola ukuthi I'm kind of different from lo muntu abe expectile. Uthola ukuthi kuzomdumaza lokho but you need to know ukuthi njengamanje ngila mangila kumele ngibe lo muntu mangila kumele ngibe lo muntu and njengoba useduzane kwamina nawe sosebenza awukwazi ukuexpect umuntu ngamazi. True. Everyone ummithayo nje yenza umsebenzi because umoshe nento ebikade izoba yinhle lo muntu mhlawumbe belethwe idlozi lakho ukuthi nisebenze into right u end up wena ucabanga ibed hey shuthi ngeke ufike ndawo ke phela wena
Yeah, vele.
uzimoshela impilo kuze kuhambe umuntu obekade elethela ukuzokusiza somewhere.
There's actually a lot of especially kule generation esakhulayo that want to make it into the industry. Banalanto kuba whatever it takes for as long as I am going to make it, I'm going to do it.
It's a choice.
Intoni ubungozi baleya choice la, as much as it is a choice, intoni ubungozi bayo, especially for an artist.
Uma sebehleli sebeqedile ukumaya lokho ozobubanikeze bona, one day into abazoyenza bobe laba bantu most yabo bayazana. Ucathi uma uzofika wena ununisele omunye ngesithelo phakathi kwabo ngeke nginilanga baxoxe ngabo mangabe sebehleli ndawonye. Kuzokwenzakalani ngesithunzi sakho usufuna ukuyonokha kulela office umfica uthi nangi nawe uhleli lapho kanti umngani nalomuntu osazofuna ukuyonokha kuyena. What's going to happen?
Uzothi nami phela ngiyazi ukuthi ngene so woza la.
So ke lento ngizothini isukela from wena usakhula kunezinto oyitshela ukuthi into ethile asoze ngiyenze.
Yeah.
Kunento into ethile angisoze ngiyenze. So lezo zinto ziyaye zenzeke umuntu wesifazane even noma ufuna umsebenzi ngaphandle uthola ukuthi iposition ikhona mhlawumbe manager izikutshela ukuthi when are we going out if uyabona nayi position ikhona wena uyibambezelayo uvela ubone kahle ukuthi yabona if angiphumi la kushuthi ngizobe ngiyisilima mina ngoba kushuthi ngizoba umanta walo muntu. So isinqumo siba sinye nje uyitshela ukuthi mina ngenziwa njalo anti uyozungazi uzozungijwayele ukuthi umpome yakenziwa njalo. Uzongibona okokuqala sixabane sishiyane bhekele eminye obhekele ngelinye ilanga ngenxa ukuthi siseku industry audio uphinda uhlangane nami the day usuhlangana nami isibili yobusuwazi ukuthi umpome yakenziwa njalo.
Yeah ne. Okay. Short break nyana.
It's fine.
Okay. Welcome back bafethu.
Yes.
Sahleli no sis Mpume. We are getting to know her, guys. We're getting to know her kunye ne journey yakhe. Before you break, you've mentioned ukuthi kuyana ngendlela okhule ngayo.
Kakhulu butwami.
Yeah. Earlier mase siqala show you've touched based on ixesha elininzi nikhula ningabo cousins endlini ningabantwana abantu abadala bekho basemsebenzini.
Yeah, abantu abadala bebengekho. But ingicanga ukuthi nenkolo ababeshiye beyitshalile kuthina nesikhule thina besiyisaba into owazi ukuthi uyifundisiwe wazi ukuthi it's like mawuke wayeqa ngathi umzali uzokubona okanye ngathi uNkulunkulu uzongibona because ukhula unalento yokusaba nokusiqoqa noma usuhleli wedwa iyayifikela le yanto nje iqhubekele kuwena because besazi ukuthi okay makuyisaba sesontweni mangekho esonto futhi mina ke besikhathi esiningi bengabalindi cousin bami mostly because bekuso abafana bafuna ukuyela ebholeni nani ngizoyithathela iminazareth yami ngihambele ngiyele esontweni. So lento yokubuya ekhaya ngesikhathi and nayo yonke into nje ukuthi uphila impilo ebonakalayo ngekho doji noma usuhleli wedwa vele iqinisa ingenela le yanto le ukuthi sekuyisikhathi ukuthi kumele ngibe sendlini manje then uzithola unalento let me go home. Oh, if there's someone osendlini uzosithola report ukuthi okay I'm going to be late because of this and that because le yanto ikwenze ukuthi iyalo zonke bebehlala njalo bakunika zona mabehleli nawe because my mom played a major role and my uncle as well. Angifuna uqamba manje bethi njalo makafikile ibuye lento ethi okay ngihlalisa phansi yanifundisa izinto inkonzo nani so yeah indlela osukukhule ngayo iyona ekusizayo noma usuwedwa la usukuhamba khona ukuthi mina noma tho usuyayenza into oyibona ukuthi ngathi ufuna ukuba wrong but usheshe uyikhuze wena uthi ungazobatshazwa abantu no I can't be seen doing this and that because it's not me.
Okay.
Because ngatshela ukuthi mina ngubani.
Yeah ne. You see today ngendlela society esengayo you sesiphila kumhlaba where abantwana banamalungelo way more than ukuthi umzali anga instilla in emntwaneni. You look at the social media, it's promoting izinto ze new date, it's promoting ukuthi mawufaka iskete singaka mawungagcokanga you're going to get views, uzomonetizer and all of that. Yabo
Yeah.
What is your take? What is your take on that? Because okay, what is your
Leyo
take?
izophinda imenzinyana when it comes to ukugqoka. Okay, indaba yamalungelo abantwana ngiyazi ukuthi umntana mamkhulisa kufanele ukuthi uphinde umenze afile ukuthi usamthanda. Ungabi too hard emntwaneni. At the same time akunento ayikho into efanele ukuthi usabe ukuyikhuluma kumntwana just because unento ukuthi uzokwata ayibo kwahle wena. Iqiniso kumele alazi at the same time uphinde ube na into kumshaya ihlombe ukuthi lalela. I'm here for you. Uyabo.
Yeah.
So coming to into yokugqoka, growing up mina uma wami ibhluku ebengalifuni to a point ukuthi ubengamind ukubona ugqoka isigcebhe because bakhule ngale yanto yakwaZulu yeintombi ezigqokela igcebhezana. So ukuthi intombi vele bekungesilona ihlazo ukuthi ihamba ngamathanga phandle to them. So mangabe kuzwa ngasegrumeni mina as entombazane leyo part kumina yayenziwe ngabasilona ihlazo ukuthi ngihamba ngesigcebhezana. So lento ke vele ngayijwayela because bethi kunokuthi ungaqoka ibhluku cha ibhluku angilifuni isidala. Noma sengimdala yagcina le yanto kumina ayizange yangena le yanto ukuthi ifihla amathanga. Uyabo. So mina until mangifika eJoburg there was a time serious there was a time lapho ngayibona khona ukuthi ngathi ngihamba estradini sisibahleli labathengisa hayibo kuzongabi namehluko phela yabona yaqala lapho lento ukuthi ingeke that means noma kuthiwa ke ngiyagqoka I can't wear kanje e-town cause njengamanje sengisemhlabeni wabanye abantu.
Yeah.
And laba bantu lento mina engikhule ngizenzela yona ngokukhululeka bona bayithatha bayifaka emsebenzini. Igcineke manje ubese bengazi ukuthi izonishaya inixabanisa mase sekufika lapho sengathi ungayikhetha indawo lapho uzoyikhindela khona ngokukhululeka ungayithola usendaweni la uzo end up khona bekubuza iprize kanti awukho lapho yabo. So ke na indlela yokukhuliseka iya ngokuthi umzali bekudedele ngobani. Wayededele ngobazi uyikhulela usemakhaya inganyana kwazi ukuthi amatshitshi vele ihambela ngamathanga. Vele besikhulela emakhaya thina ubunga ufihla umzimba uyintombazana. Kodwa futhi at the same time besihlolwa uma ubengalindikisa likwazi angasazi beyihlolela yena
umamakho
asiphume lapho.
Hayi God.
So yeah. So ezinye izinto indlela okhulisa ngayo ingane yakho kufanele uyenza ukuthi ikwazi ukuphila noma siphakathi kwezinye izingane ingabe nalento ukuthi okay mina umuntu engifuna ngiyithola 2 mina ngitshelwa nanani ayikwazi ukuphila noma ungasekho 2 yazi ukuthi kungani uthi ayenze lento kungani uyivumela yenza lento.
Okay.
Uma uthi ayingayenzi lento futhi kungani because ingane zamanje ziyabuza kakhulu ngifuna nami nje ngifole kuyo labo bantu ababuza ngisho into encane.
Yeah.
Ma why wangiqamba wathi ngusibani bani? Why wangiqamba wathi nguphumelele? Yes, I did. Like I used to ask a lot of questions and angiphendule.
Yeah, ne.
So you must always have an answer. Noma umtshela ukuthi ngithe ungakwenza lokho because of this and that. Umntwana uya understand uzokwazi why.
Okay. So usisibume ngapha ama projects busy ngawo ngoko.
As I told you earlier ukuthi okay this year bese ngirekhodile umsebenzi engicanga ukuthi nje manje ngisho nje licala emlonyeni ukuthi lo msebenzi umoke namanzi because kugcine sekunezitori zokucaca ukuthi awusafika ezandleni zami. It's fine, but I will continue. Akusho ukuthi awukho umsebenzi ozokhipha kulonyaka ukhona umsebenzi ozoqhubeka ngwenze and I'm busy nama gigs engwatholayo. There's a team engisebenzisana nayo engincedayo to get ama gigs as well because vele awazi kwesinye isikhathi uphinda ube ne umqondo wakho focus kuyo yonke into kanye yabo. At some point khona kufanele aphinde adlalele yaphathi omnye adlalele yaphathi ukuze umsebenzi uqhubeke. So I'm busy nama gigs akhona na this coming weekend nje ngizobe umuntu busy so ngiyaqhubeka no music.
Okay.
Yes ngiphinde ngibe nomsebenzi engiwenzayo eceleni futhi engengize ngisho icompany yakhona ukuthi ngiphinde ngisebenzisana ne company.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah, but I'm up for any projects abanye ngavela from different artists, akhona amanye ama-artists ekufanele ukuthi ngisebenzisane nawo, but nakhona I'm not going to disclose that kungakafiki la kutheni sesingenile e-studio sawuqeda, but maningi abanye abantu engisalindile ukuthi siqhubeke sisebenze nabo kulonyaka. So isifiso sami vele ukuthi ngiqhubeke njengamanje ngisebenzisane nabanye abantu ebengingakaze ngisebenzisane nabo, and kumanye ama-genre ebengingakaze ngingene kuwona, because akhona ama-genre engingakubeka nje eqinisweni ukuthi ngiye ngivuke ngibhale ingoma ngaze ngayicula kwi-genre engekho sidalo kuyona.
Okay.
So I've realized ukuthi, you know what, maybe ezinye zezinto ezirong engizenzayo to ignore ezinye izinto esuke ifika kumina. Let me do everything njengamanje sesandleni sikaMpumi. This year iplan yami ukuthi yonke into esesandleni sami ayikho into ekusafanele ngilonge igodla ngithi le ngizokuyenza. uMpumi wakho umsebenzi angakhona ukwenza. So when it comes to into enebhala oneyiculayo akukho la ngakhona ungena khona, so I'll be working with different artists.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you're also open kuma features, right?
Yes.
Okay. Features nama upcoming artists or ama artists sewaphaya?
Angikhethi umuntu.
Okay.
As long as umuntu ngimbona ukuthi serious ngomsebenzi, into esuke ikwehlisa amandla uma ngabe uzosukela umuntu nje esenento esathe idea kuphela ehleli kuyena, bese sethi ngoba lo muntu uma uzothi uyamtshela ukuthi okay umsebenzi kumele singene studio phela, kukhona producer kufanele ukuthi umuntu ozobe lapha kumele ukuthi akhokhelwe, ucabanga ukuthi okay mase sesiwenzile umsebenzi uzorecordwa ukhishwa andabani kumina kuwena kwenzalani, uthothi lo muntu uhlulesi kusangazi ukuthi nje uzomfundisa into yasezulwini nje eBhayibhelini into angayazi yabona. So akubi lula ke bangabe kuthiwa impela upcoming bakho busekuthenini awazi nanokuthi umsebenzi masiqala sofaka ngapi, because ngizo end up mina ngithi okay asiyenze ingoma bese ngithi letha mina ngiuploadele ingoma. Ukuthi ingoma idayisa kangakanani iyadayisa noma idayisi, mina ngithi oqala uzobebona.
Yeah.
Ngeke nikwenze ngelanga bese usuthi no uMpumi nje mina ungidlile le ngoma yayimnandi ngineshow ukuthi ithengiwe, mase ngithi no ngazi ukuthi akuhambi kahle la. 2 uzovuma yini ukuthi kube khona mhlambe some bit of a budget for promotion or marketing or ntontontoni, because what if I end up ngisebenzisa mina ngiyimarketa the next thing wena ubese uyitshethi sesiqedile ukuthi sirecorde kuphela, amva kwalokho iyaqhubeka ingoma mase sekwenzeka imali uthola ukuthi wena akusekho lutho oyewafuna ukulifaka.
Okay. So basically for as long there's going to be
akube ukuthi nawe usuqalile umsebenzi.
Yeah.
Noma ngithu ukuphi ngokwezinga, as long as nawe usuqalile, because njoba ngeke ngasho ukuthi sometimes ubuye kube khona ubungozi bokusebenza nomuntu uthi no mina ngizofuna ukusebenza nalo kuphela, uzothi uyafika kuyena naye avela afuna ukandamana wena, awenze lo msebenzi mhlawumbe aqede lapho naye awubhekisele awukhohle.
Okay. So music has really taken over kwiside like the poetry or your radio presenting and stuff.
Yeah, especially with radio, ngasho nje ngithi angikho sure ukuthi ngisangaphinde ngibuyele as much as ngiyithanda, but nami self angibange ngisaphinde ngifake any effort yokuthi okay ithi ngiqhubeke. Ngiyacela kakhulu vele ko music ku poetry. The last song I released last year October, Impilo Egoli, it's a combination kaMpumi a musician and uMpumi a poet, because there's a part lapha where I recite a poem nje ngevoice esuke poet.
Yeah. I wanted to ask you like,
so the reason why ngangihlanganisa lezi zoyithu ngangihlanganisisa ukuthi angifuni kube khona uMpumi ofayo, kube khona ofayo phakathi kwethu, ngifuna sisebenzisane uMpumi omculi noMpumi oyipoet. Ngiyakholelwa ukuthi mabehlangene besebenzisana bazoyikhipha lento unique yokuthi ngingagcina ngilahla ubumina ngoba ngenzela ukuthi ngifuna ukucover abanye abantu.
Okay.
They must understand that this is how I write.
Okay. So kuma social media platforms wakho are you
Mpumi SA
kuwo wonke ne?
Yes, kuwo
Yes,
wonke.
yes, I wanted to say guys, xa ugqiba subscribe kule channel yam, you go to Mpume SA on here on YouTube, ufike subscribe pha, you go on
It's TikTok, it's Facebook. On Facebook, even my phone number is there. If mhlawumbe ufuna ukusebenzisana noMpume,
Yeah,
ufuna
okay.
ukungithinta nje 079 khona lapha.
Okay. Yeah, even on Spotify guys, it's Mpume SA. Nobusemotweni yakho nobuphi, just listen to her songs guys. You hear something. Mama, ndiyabulela kakhulu man for the time that you've given us namhlanje. It's really been getting to know you.
Thank you so much for having me. Unginike ithuba lokuthi ngizokhuluma ngoMpume SA. And nakubabukele ekhaya guys, ngiyabonga ukuthi nibukele ishow ukuze kufike ukuthi la iphela khona. Please ngicela ukuthi niqhubeke nesupport uMpume SA lo bengakaze am support noma bengekho aware ukuthi okay we have this artist. Ngicela ukuthi niqhubeke nje nemlandele uMpume SA, ni stream music kwami. I really love that.
Okay. Thank you guys. Do you think ikhona mhlawumbe into esishiye ngaphandle that we are supposed to?
No, I think it's right.
Okay.
I think it's right.
Okay. Asikhulumi nangomshado next. Okay. Ngiyakhumbula ukuthi